Hello, welcome to Universal Wellness and our infrared sauna. When you come in the front door, you will turn to your left and come right here to sign in. You will sign in right here, just with your name and the date so that we can check you out. If this is your first time, you will fill out the waiver and then just cover it up here so that no one will see your information before we put it away. Once you've signed in, you will head right back to the sauna on your own, right through the door. Come right down the hallway. The sauna is all the way down the hallway. So once you come to the sauna, you'll see we have it all ready for you. It is on and all set. You'll be able to open it and feel the heat. There are towels in here for you to use. You will grab one towel, all towels. Use one towel to sit on. You can place it in any way that you want to. You will also want to make sure that you drink some water. Place the water in the water cooler. You can use a cup or you can fill your water bottle. Press the blue button first, then press the button to fill your cup. You will also want to set your timer. I would say set it for about 35 minutes, or if you have a 45-minute session, about 50 minutes, so you have 5 minutes to get undressed. You will then undress. You can place your clothes on the bench, or there are hooks behind the door. If you need extra cushion, there is an extra pillow here that you can use. So you can use an extra towel to place around your body as you sit in there if you would like to. You don't have to, that's up to you. Some people do like to bring their own things to sit in there with, or we also have robes hanging in the hallway that you could use. After you are done with your session, we ask that you take all of your towels and throw them into the receptacle here in the corner. And once you're dressed, you are all done and all set. You can leave. We thank you so much for choosing our infrared sauna.